Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Obianuju Kris, and I am based in the UK. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make Akara, aka beans balls, using peeled beans and three other ingredients, that's salt, scotch bonnet and shallot. So I need a bowl and I need a measurement cup. Depending on the size of your family, you're just going to measure based on that. So for me, we are a family of three: me, my partner, and my baby Sky. So I'm just going to go on now to measure. So I just need only 1 cup for this recipe. So as you can see, I'm measuring. Anyways guys, just so you know, in the Nigerian home, what is Saturdays without akara? Like akara dioku, oh my god, that's what we call it in Igbo, akara dioku. So anyways, you can see my measurements here. Yeah, that's the quantity I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to pour it into my bowl. I'm not going to select or pick anything that is bad in these beans because I already know how I go about it. So the first thing you want to do is just lightly wash your beans to take out any dust, any preservative that has been put in your beans, any bad beans that is floating. Yeah, so that's what you need to do. As you can see, that's what I'm actually doing. Yeah, so you have to sieve it out. You don't want your sink to get blocked, right? So you go on again and then you start the proper process. So this is what the proper process looks like. So all you just need to do basically is to rub the beans with your palm together, and the peels are just going to come off. You don't need to soak these beans, guys, because soaking it makes it harder. You don't need to soak it. So the more you rub it, the peels begin to go off. So as you can see, that's what is happening here. You just have to continue with the process until you get to this desired clean beans. So you can see what my beans look like. It's absolutely clean. I had to transfer it to another bowl and then I started putting it in my blender. So I'm just going to go on now to use my blender to blend these beans. Like I said, if your blender is not strong enough, you can do this process overnight, soak it, and then the next morning you use your blender to blend. But my blender is strong enough, so I'm very okay. So now I'm going to put in half scotch bonnet and half shallot. So that's what I'm putting in right now. So you guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Now what you want to do is put in 1 cup of water, just so that you don't stress your blender and then you end up burning the blender or blowing up the blender. So now we are going to blend until we get the desired texture and consistency. I went on to put some salt just so that my blender does the work. Like, it helps me to put the salt in the mixture, to mix the salt in the mixture very well. So this is what my paste looks like. It's not runny, it's not too thick. This is just what my consistency look like. I went on to taste it and I realized that the salt wasn't enough. Then I added more. So you have to do this based on your taste bud. So I was working based on my taste bud. Akara is perfect when it comes to deep frying. If you do shallow frying, it won't come out well. So all you just need to do is put enough oil, let it heat up, and then you start scooping your paste and putting it in the hot oil. Yeah, so that is what is happening here. As time goes by, you realize that they begin to float. Yes, so if you have the right consistency, your akara will float. But if you don't have the right consistency, it will just settle in the bottom and it probably look like pancake. I know what other people do is they try to put maybe 1 egg in the process of blending, just so that they get that fluffiness. But I was trying to get the Nigerian proper village Lagos or whatever kind of akara we do back home. You guys know now. So I just went on to keep flipping it over until it became golden brown. Guys, this is what I like when I'm making akara. You see this color like this? I love this color that you see. I really love it. So I just went on to use my draining spoon, and then I drained the akara. So I'm just showing you guys the process again of how to scoop your akara and put it in your oil to get the desired shape that you want. So now, as the cook, now you have to taste what you are cooking. So this is me trying to know if I nailed it or not. So it was a 10/10 actually. Like, this akara it wasn't dense, and it was really soft in the inside and crunchy in the outside. So now we are going to be having it with our London agege bread. Yeah. And I'm just going to plate it anyways, and then that's basically it. So apart from having our akara and London agege bread, we are going to be having it with custard as well. I don't have ogi in my house, I mean akamu, so I'm using custard. So this is what most Nigerian families like to have on Saturday. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.